Softly in the bedroom dark, watch the world as it falls apart. We fill the spaces with an empty kiss, say our love would never come to this. Sure, I'll forget and you'll forgive. Between lovers, a tangled truth that blows asunder. Words as careless as a lipstick's red, temper flaring like a cigarette, and little ones between us taking cover. That's what love. Between lovers, you take 3 days and I'll take 4. We split their hearts in our little war, sweep the wreckage out the door. We tell ourselves we're gonna be okay, things are better working out this way. Crooked scars, they're gone. Lipstick's red, temper flaring like a cigarette, little ones between us taking cover. That's what lies between lovers. Lies between lovers.
Crowd goes wild.